Hey Blender enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of dynamic fire simulations with a groundbreaking Blender add-on Ignite by Witting Graphics. If you're tired of static flames and want to bring your creations to life with realistic fire dynamics, this is the add-on you've been waiting for. Ignite introduces a revolutionary physics simulation to Blender, allowing you to simulate combustion, heat diffusion, char formation, and more. Unlike traditional fire simulations, Ignite goes beyond static flames. It lets you start a small fire and watch it spread realistically, consuming objects as it goes. Advanced Simulations Ignite offers a full-scale physics simulation, giving you control over burning characteristics. Whether you want quick fuse-like burning or the slow progression of a wood fire, Ignite has you covered. Dynamic materials. Watch materials change dynamically as they go through the stages of burning. With Ignite, you can create fully customized dynamic shaders, thanks to a shader node group included. There are also complete material presets for quick and easy setup. Animated fire and smoke. Effortlessly integrate Ignite's simulation with Blender's built-in flame and smoke functions. This compatibility extends to add-ons like Blaze, Wisp, or Cows, ensuring seamless animation of flames that match the changing materials. Purchasing Ignite unlocks a new realm of possibilities for your Blender creations. You get realistic physics simulation for dynamic fire and flame spreading. Shader node group for quick creation of dynamic materials. Out-of-the-box materials to save you time and effort. The story behind Ignite. Ever wondered why Blender's built-in fire simulation falls short? Witting Graphics addresses this gap by simulating the entire chain reaction of fire from ignition to fuel consumption and surroundings. Ignite started as a solution to fill in these missing effects and has evolved into the powerful add-on it is today. Worried about support? Witting Graphics has you covered. The FAQ and Ask a Question features are there for pre-purchase inquiries. Post-purchase, extensive documentation ensures you're never left in the dark. Support extends beyond the purchase to ensure a smooth experience for all users. Ready to elevate your Blender projects with dynamic fire and smoke? Ignite by Witting Graphics is your go-to solution. Click the link below to visit the Blender market and unlock a new dimension of realism in your creations. Don't miss out on this game-changing add-on for Blender. Like, share, and subscribe for more Blender awesomeness. Happy blending, everyone!